All right, fellas, let's talk about something that's been on a lot of your minds. I know it's not the easiest topic to bring up, but let's be real. As we get a little older, we start paying more attention to our health, and that includes what's going on down there. Today, I want to share a little secret about some foods you might already love that can actually help improve your performance and give you back some of that confidence. And believe it or not, the journey to a more robust, you can start in the cheese aisle. Now I know what you're thinking, Dr. Carter. I've always been told that cheese is bad for my heart. How can it possibly help with erections? And you know what? You're absolutely right to be skeptical. For decades, we've been told to avoid cheese because of its saturated fat content. But here's what the outdated dietary guidelines didn't account for. Not all cheeses are created equal. The cheeses I'm about to tell you about aren't those processed cheese products you find in the refrigerated section. I'm talking about traditionally made, aged cheeses that have been crafted the same way for centuries. These cheeses undergo fermentation and aging processes that fundamentally change their nutritional profile, making them not just safe for your cardiovascular system, but actually beneficial. In fact, recent research from European countries where these cheeses are dietary staples shows something remarkable. People who regularly consume small amounts of high-quality aged cheeses actually have better cardiovascular health markers than those who avoid dairy entirely. They have more flexible arteries, better cholesterol profiles, and yes, lower rates of erectile dysfunction. But here's the real secret. It's not just about the cheese itself. It's about specific compounds found in certain cheeses that directly support the biological processes involved in achieving and maintaining an erection. We're talking about amino acids that boost nitric oxide production, minerals that support testosterone synthesis, and proteins that help maintain healthy blood vessels. All right, let's talk about our first superstar cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano. Now this is the real deal Italian cheese, not the stuff in the green can at the grocery store. True Parmigiano Reggiano is aged for at least 12 months, but the really good stuff is aged for 24 or even 36 months. During my residency, I spent 6 months in Italy, studying Mediterranean dietary patterns and cardiovascular health. And I'll never forget visiting a small village in Emilia-Romagna where Parmigiano Reggiano is made. The elderly men in that village were remarkably vital, and when I looked at their health data, their rates of erectile dysfunction were significantly lower than what we see in the United States. So what makes this cheese so special? Well, it all comes down to something called larginine. During that long aging process, the proteins in Parmigiano Reggiano break down into individual amino acids, and this cheese becomes incredibly rich in larginine. Now, why should you care about larginine? Because your body uses it to produce nitric oxide. Let me explain why nitric oxide is so crucial. Imagine your blood vessels are like garden hoses. When they're new and flexible, water flows through easily. But over time, they can become stiff and narrow. Nitric oxide is like a chemical that keeps those hoses soft and flexible. It literally signals your blood vessels to relax and widen, allowing more blood to flow through. In my practice, I've seen men's erectile function improve dramatically just by increasing their nitric oxide level. And while you can take larginine supplements, getting it from food like Parmigiano Reggiano is actually more effective because it comes packaged with other supportive nutrients. A 1 oz serving of authentic Parmigiano Reggiano, that's about the size of your thumb, contains roughly 9 grams of highly bioavailable protein and a significant dose of larginine. But here's what's really interesting. Because it's been aged so long, it's virtually lactose-free. So even if regular dairy upsets your stomach, you can probably handle Parmigiano Reggiano just fine. The calcium content is also remarkable. That same 1 oz serving provides over 25% of your daily calcium needs. And before you say, I don't need calcium, that's for women. Let me stop you right there. Calcium is essential for nerve signal transmission, including the nerve signals that trigger an erection. It's also crucial for muscle contraction. And yes, achieving an erection involves smooth muscle function. When you're shopping for Parmigiano Reggiano, look for the real thing. It should have Parmigiano Reggiano stamped right on the rind. The texture should be granular and crystalline. You might even see little white crystals in it. Those are amino acid deposits, and they're a sign of proper aging. Yes, it's more expensive than regular Parmesan, but remember you're only eating about an ounce at a time. A good wedge will last you weeks. Now, our second cheese might surprise you. It's goat cheese. I know some of you are already wrinkling your noses. But hear me out, because goat cheese is like a secret weapon for male hormonal health. In my clinical experience, one of the most overlooked causes of erectile dysfunction in men over 50 is zinc deficiency. And I mean seriously overlooked. I routinely test my patients' zinc levels, and I'd estimate that 70% of men over 50 are running low. This is a huge problem because zinc is absolutely essential for testosterone production. Here's something that might blow your mind. Your prostate gland contains more zinc than any other soft tissue in your body. Think about that for a second. Mother Nature doesn't do anything by accident. That concentration of zinc is there for a reason. It's crucial for prostate health, sexual function, and the production of healthy seminal fluid. Goat cheese is one of the best dietary sources of bioavailable zinc. And when I say bioavailable, I mean zinc that your body can actually absorb and use. You see, a lot of foods contain zinc, but it's bound up with other compounds that make it hard to absorb. The zinc in goat cheese is different. It's in a form that your body readily recognizes and utilizes. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Goat cheese doesn't just provide zinc, it provides it in a package that's incredibly easy to digest. The protein molecules in goat milk are smaller and structured differently than those in cow's milk. The fat globules are also smaller. What does this mean for you? It means that even if regular cheese gives you digestive issues, you might do perfectly fine with goat cheese. I had a patient, let's call him Robert, 62 years old, came to me with moderate erectile dysfunction. His testosterone levels were on the low end of normal, and his zinc levels were definitely suboptimal. Instead of immediately putting him on testosterone replacement therapy, I suggested he add an ounce of goat cheese to his daily diet. Just an ounce, crumbled on his salad at lunch. 6 weeks later, Robert came back for his follow-up. Not only had his zinc levels improved, but his testosterone had increased by almost 20%. More importantly, he reported significant improvements in his erectile function and overall energy levels. Now, was it just the goat cheese? Probably not entirely, but it was a simple, sustainable change that made a real difference. The type of goat cheese matters too. Fresh, soft goat cheese, the kind that comes in logs, is what you want. It has a tangy, slightly tart flavor that's actually quite mild compared to aged goat cheese. Start with plain varieties, not the ones rolled in herbs or honey, so you can control what you're adding to your diet. And here's a pro tip from my Italian research days. Goat cheese pairs beautifully with foods that also support erectile health. Try it with walnuts, which provide omega-3 fatty acids, or with beets, which are high in dietary nitrates that convert to nitric oxide. It's about creating synergy on your plate. Our third cheese is ricotta, and this one is special because of its unique protein profile. Now, most people think of ricotta as just that stuff you put in lasagna, but I'm going to change how you think about this humble cheese forever. Ricotta is incredibly rich in whey protein. Yes, the same whey protein that bodybuilders obsess over, but you're getting it in whole food form rather than as a processed powder. And this matters more than you might think. Whey protein is what we call a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. But here's what makes whey protein particularly important for erectile health. It's exceptionally high in an amino acid called leucine. In my practice, I've observed that men who maintain higher muscle mass tend to have better erectile function. And it's not just because they're in better shape. Muscle tissue is metabolically active. It helps regulate hormone levels, improves insulin sensitivity, and supports overall cardiovascular health. Leucine is the primary trigger for muscle protein synthesis. When you consume ricotta, you're not just maintaining muscle mass, you're supporting the entire metabolic environment that promotes healthy sexual function. And unlike protein powders that can be harsh on your digestive system, ricotta is gentle and easily absorbed. The whey protein in ricotta has been shown to support the health of your blood vessel walls. Remember, healthy blood vessels equal healthy erections. The proteins in ricotta provide the building blocks for maintaining and repairing the endothelial lining of your blood vessel. That's the inner layer that produces nitric oxide. I remember one patient, Thomas, a 70-year-old gentleman who was struggling with both erectile dysfunction and muscle loss. He was one of those guys who thought protein shakes were just for young gym rats. I suggested he add ricotta to his diet instead. Every morning, he'd have a half cup of ricotta with berries and a drizzle of honey. Simple, delicious, sustainable. Within 2 months, Thomas had gained 3 lb with lean muscle mass. His blood flow measurements improved significantly. And yes, his erectile function improved as well. But what really stuck with me was when he said, "Doc, I feel stronger in every way." That's the power of supporting your body with the right nutrient. When shopping for ricotta, go for whole milk ricotta rather than part skim. I know that might sound counterintuitive, but the fat in whole milk ricotta actually helps with the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and provides satiety, so you're less likely to overeat later. Look for brands that have minimal ingredients, ideally just milk, whey, cream, and salt. Fresh ricotta from Italian markets or specialty cheese shops is even better if you can find it. It has a sweeter, cleaner taste than mass-reduced versions, and the texture is absolutely divine. But even regular grocery store ricotta can be a powerful addition to your diet when used strategically. Now, knowing which cheeses to eat is just the first step. Let me share with you the ultimate breakfast combination that I recommend to my patients. A meal that combines all 3 of these cheeses, with other erectile function supporting foods in a way that actually tastes incredible. Start with 3 eggs. Yes, I know you've been told to limit eggs because of cholesterol, but recent research has completely vindicated eggs. They're packed with protein, vitamin D, and choline, all of which support healthy testosterone levels. And when you combine them with our 3 cheeses, magic happens. Here's exactly how to make what I call the Vitality Scramble. First, heat a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil in your pan over medium heat. Not butter, not cooking spray. Extra virgin olive oil. The polyphenols in olive oil protect your blood vessels and reduce inflammation. While that's heating, crack your 3 eggs into a bowl and whisk them well. Now here's where we add the first power ingredient. Throw in 2 big handfuls of baby spinach. I mean, really load it up. Spinach is incredibly high in dietary nitrates, which your body converts to, you guessed it, nitric oxide. The leaves will wilt down to almost nothing, so don't be shy. You want at least 2 cups of fresh spinach. Add the eggs to the pan and let them start to set just slightly. Then add a handful of chopped bell peppers. Red and yellow are best because they're highest in vitamin C. Your body needs vitamin C to produce collagen, which keeps your blood vessel walls strong and flexible. Plus, the antioxidants in bell peppers protect against oxidative stress that can damage blood vessels. Here's a secret ingredient that most people don't know about. Add a clove of minced garlic. Garlic contains allicin, which has been shown to improve blood flow and may even work similarly to certain erectile dysfunction medications, though obviously in a much milder food-based way. Plus, it makes everything taste amazing. As the eggs are cooking, fold in 1/4 cup of ricotta. Don't stir it in completely. You want pockets of creamy ricotta throughout your scramble. The ricotta will melt slightly but maintain some texture, making your eggs incredibly rich and satisfying. Once the eggs are cooked to your liking, I prefer them still slightly soft and creamy. Transfer them to your plate. Now shave about an ounce of Parmigiano Reggiano over the top. The heat from the eggs will slightly melt the cheese, releasing all those wonderful flavors and making those amino acids even more bioavailable. Finally, crumble about an ounce of fresh goat cheese over everything. The cool, tangy goat cheese creates a beautiful contrast with the warm eggs and provides that crucial zinc boost we talked about. On the side, have half an avocado drizzled with lemon juice and a slice of true whole grain bread. I'm talking about the dense, seedy kind, not the fluffy stuff that's basically white bread with a tan. The healthy fats from the avocado support hormone production, and the complex carbs from the bread provide sustained energy without spiking your blood sugar. This breakfast provides approximately 40 grams of complete protein, a massive dose of nitric oxide boosting compounds, zinc for testosterone support, and healthy fats for hormone production. It's literally engineered to support erectile function, and it happens to taste absolutely incredible. I recommend having this breakfast 3 times a week. On other days, you can incorporate these cheeses in different ways. Goat cheese on your lunchtime salad, Parmigiano Reggiano, shaved over roasted vegetables at dinner, ricotta with berries for dessert. The key is consistency, not perfection. Gentlemen, we've covered a lot of ground today, but I want to leave you with some clear action steps. First, start with one cheese. Don't try to revolutionize your entire diet overnight. Pick whichever of these 3 cheeses appeals to you most and commit to having 1 ounce daily for 2 weeks. Notice how you feel. Second, try the Vitality Scramble at least once this week. Make it exactly as I described. Pay attention not just to how it tastes, but to how you feel afterward, your energy levels, your mental clarity, your overall sense of well-being. Third, and this is crucial, be patient. Nutritional changes take time to show results. You're not going to eat some Parmigiano Reggiano tonight and wake up tomorrow transformed, but give it 6 to 8 weeks of consistent intake. And I'm confident you'll notice improvements, not just in erectile function, but in your overall vitality. Remember, erectile dysfunction is often your body's check engine light. By addressing it through nutrition, you're not just improving your sexual health, you're supporting your entire cardiovascular system, potentially adding years to your life and life to your year. Thank you for spending this time with me today. If you found this information valuable, please share it with other men who might benefit. There's no shame in taking care of your health. And the more we talk about these issues openly, the more men we